QR code generator by text to QR. This fantastic tool allows you to create and download QR codes from any image, absolutely free. In this video, we'll explore the various functionalities that the image to QR code generator by text to QR offers. This user-friendly tool accepts standard image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and GIF. The process is simple. All you need to do is upload your desired image, and the generator will create a unique QR code that you can download and use for various purposes. Additionally, this incredible tool doesn't require an account or any payment, making it accessible to everyone. You can use the QR codes generated by this tool for both personal and business purposes, such as marketing campaigns, event tickets, etc. So stay tuned as we guide you through each step of using the image to QR code generator by text to QR, and help you unlock its full potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content.